everybody, and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we are making, wait, let me turn it on. Today we are making doll birthday cakes. So they're really easy to make. You use a tea light, and I think we're going to use non-electric tea lights for the kits. But I had one left over from when we did the snowmen in the winter. So I used that last one for the sample, and then we have regular tea lights that you would light with a lighter, and that's what we're going to use for the make and take kits. So to make these cute little birthday cakes, you need a tea light. It can be electric or it can be regular. It doesn't matter. You need ribbon, you need little beads, hot glue, scissors, and construction paper. So the first thing that you do is you take your ribbon and you see how much you need to cover the outside of your tea light. So this is like kind of like the decoration and the icing on the outside. So I used a thin ribbon. So I had to use two strips of it. If you use a thicker ribbon that's as thick as your tea light, you only have to use one. So that depends on what kind of ribbon you use. And for the make and take kits, they'll be measured out for you already. So you measure them, you cut them, then you glue them to the tea light. Then the next thing I did was put the tea light on a piece of construction paper and draw a circle. And then I cut the circle out so it was slightly bigger, so it looked like a cake plate underneath. So you don't want it to be just as big as the tea light, you want it to be a little bit bigger. Then I glued that on. And then the very last thing that I did was I put hot glue on the top, and then I sprinkled the beads onto the top so they kind of look like sprinkles or decorations. If you do get your own and you don't pick up a kit and you get an electric tea light, you can just pop a hole in the bottom so that you can turn it on and off. So just like that. If you get a make and take kit and you get one that's not electric, obviously you're not gonna light it. You're not gonna use a lighter. You could make a little flame for it, or you could turn the wick into a candle if you wanted to, but that can be totally up to you. But that's all there is to making these cute little birthday cakes for your dolls. So we hope you're still enjoying American Girl Afternoon, and we'll see you back here next time. Have a great day.